China is stepping up efforts to build stronger economic ties with emerging countries, especially in the global south. Amid concerns about renewed trade friction with the United States, Beijing is focusing on the Middle East, a key hub in its massive Belt and Road Initiative.
Yinchuan, in the Ningxia Autonomous Region of inland China, is often called the country's gateway to the Islamic world. Restaurants here display signs reading Qinzhen food. Qinzhen means Islam in Chinese, and the mark indicates that the restaurant has obtained halal certification in accordance with Islamic law. The Hui people, a Muslim ethnic minority, make up about 30% of the region's population. In August, Yinchuan hosted the China Arab States Expo. The government-sponsored event aims to deepen economic ties with the Middle East, an essential feature of China's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative.
This expo has been important for China-Arab cooperation under the Belt and Road Initiative since 2013.
As tensions with Washington persist, China has been expanding trade with Middle Eastern partners. Exports to the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia nearly doubled over the 5 years to 2024. Middle Eastern companies are using the expo as a springboard into the vast Chinese market. At the same time, Chinese companies want to export more of their manufactured goods to the Middle East.
By combining multiple sensors, we can detect complex terrain and make real-time adjustments.
The company's display highlights China's growing strength in advanced industries such as electric vehicles and robotics. Nearby, local food manufacturers promote their halal products. One company is using Chinese e-commerce platforms that have expanded into the Middle East. They hope to boost exports of chili and beef-based foods made with local ingredients.
If we're thinking about long-term development, we need to sell globally. We want to involve local farmers and bring our products overseas.
I think we achieved a lot of achievements here in the field of economic relations in terms of trade and investment between UAE and China. Successfully, we reached a record in exchange of trade. We expect to have a growth this year about 15% compared to the last year.
As Beijing works to reduce dependence on the United States, efforts to deepen ties with the Middle East are expected to accelerate.